Meaning of DSC.
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 DSC. DSC can have various meanings depending on the context, but some common ones are data science competition, digital selective calling, and differential scanning calorimetry. In the context of digital selective calling, DSC is a technique used in maritime radio communication to quickly establish a distress call and automatically share critical information about the vessel in distress. By pressing a single button on a digital selective calling-enabled radio, a distress signal is sent to the nearest rescue authorities, along with the vessel's identification and location. This technology has greatly improved safety at sea, enabling quicker and more targeted responses to emergencies.